In this video, I will show you how to do the wheel guards for your four-wheel robot, so that way you can protect your wheels during combat. So let's get started. So pull up your Fusion, make sure you're in your own account, and let's make a new component. So right-click on the parent file and say new component. So right-click and new component, and then we'll make this a new component because wheel guards, you will print it separately from your chassis. Okay, that's the reason why you're making a new component. Anything that's separate, like any separate piece, need to be a new component. So let's call it wheel guards. Wheel guards, and you see now you have under your parent file, you have another. You have chassis, electronics, and now we have wheel guards. Now let's go ahead and go to create a sketch. And then let's go to the side, because on the four-wheel robot, your wheel guard is going to get connected on the side. So once you get to create a sketch, make sure you create, instead of selecting that plane over there, the origin plane, make sure you select the side of the chassis as your plane where you're going to make the sketch. So I'm going to select the side of the chassis, and then let's go create a rectangle. Okay, let's go to the center rectangle. And then let's go ahead, and you see how, like, if you zoom in enough, you will know that that's the center, like the center hole of the wheel guard, right? Is your center. So let's make a square like that. And then you see how once I made that center square, right? You see you're able to select that. But let's make another parameter, right? So that way if you want to change this later on, you can. So let's go to press S on the keyboard and put change parameters, and so we can add a parameter called, let's say, wheel guard. So go ahead, press on that plus sign, and let's add a parameter called wheel guard thickness, and let's make it like, I don't know, 15 millimeters for now. Press OK. And then you see how this is the thickness of the wheel guard, right? So press D, and let's make that, instead of 16, now we're gonna say it's wheel guard thickness, okay? And then since this one is basically the same as the chassis height, we can define that as chassis height. So that's okay, finish sketch. And this one will be it will already be defined as the chassis height because we reference the chassis, right? So only thing we need to do a parameter on is the thickness of the wheel guard. All right, so now let's go ahead and get started on creating the actual wheel guard. So let's select this. So let's go ahead, after you created the sketch, right? Let's select that, press E, and let's extrude it to like, let's say 60 millimeters. Oh, that looks too much, right? Because you see the wheels are over here. So let's actually do, how about, let's say 30. So it looks like that, right? And that looks good. 30 is good enough, but maybe let's make it a parametric feature also, like parametric value. So let's do, press S, change parameters, and let's go and select another parameter called wheel guard. What do we call this? Wheel guard side length. Let's call it wheel guard projection length. Wheel guard projection length length, let's say 30, right? Press OK. And then let's double click on it. And instead of saying 30, we're going to say wheel guard projection length. Press OK. And then now we just need to protect your wheel. So let's actually you see how this length is not good enough to like cover the whole wheel. So maybe we should change that wheel guard projection length. So press S, go to change parameters, right? Let's make it like at least instead of wheel guard projection length, let's make it like 50. Yeah, I think that's good because 50 will give you enough clearance, and I don't think it needs to be that thick. So let's actually change it. So go to press S, change parameters, and let's change the thickness too. I don't think we need it to be that thick. Let's make it like this thickness, wheel guard thickness. Let's make it like 10. Press OK. That's good. And then now all you need to do is to cover the wheels. Sure. Let's go to create a sketch and then select the surface of that structure to create the sketch. And then let's go to rectangle, center rectangle, and get to the center right here. You see how when you zoom in, there's a circle in the middle that says center, right? And then once you start drawing the rectangle, you can use the tab key. You see how it's like already selecting the 26 millimeter. Let's call that, remember we said wall height, right? That's the chassis height. So we can put select that from there. And then let's go to the length. We can change it to, you see how I press tab to change that? And let's put chassis length, inner chassis length. So like that. So basically I made a rectangle that's just the length of, and then press escape, right? So you can see what you did. Oh, actually what happened there. So let's try it again. So after you created that horizontal wheel guard structure, create a sketch and then select the top of that rectangle feature that you just did, and then go to center rectangle, zoom in to get the center, and then you see how right now it says that height is 34, right? And it's selected. Put wall height for that, press enter, and then press tab to get to the other side, and put chassis, inner chassis length. You see 180 millimeter right there. Select that one and then press enter. And you have basically created, you see how now you have this structure. What you just created is the wheel guard. So now you can control select this piece, that piece, and that piece, and then press E, and then put wheel guard thickness, millimeter, and now you have your wheel guard. And if you want to shave this end to make it look better, you can do that. How do you do that? Let's do fillet. Fillet, and then just select this surface right here, and then this surface right here, and then let's put, how much do you want to fillet? Let's say like I don't know, 8. Let's try 8 millimeters. You can do, how about 10? So that way it kind of looks nice, almost like a wheel guard, right? And notice that there's holes on that wheel guard because it was tracing the holes from the chassis, and it will fit nicely. Okay, so pretty much you're done for that wheel guard right there. And then now we just have to mirror it on the other side. So press S and put mirror, and mirror what? Not a body feature, and then select this feature and that feature, and then select the mirror plane to be here, and then press OK. I didn't select that. Let me go back. I didn't select that fillet I did. So press S, mirror, and features. It's already on features, objects. Let's select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Even the fillet that I did. And let's go to select the mirror plane and then select that one and press OK. Now you have your chassis, your wheel guard, and everything is there. And if you want, you can go back to now the parent file to see everything, and it looks like this. This is your chassis of your robot, fully done for the 4-wheel robot.